Hey everybody, this is Dugas Bradford. Welcome to another copyrighted edition of Dugas TV. And today we're going kayaking. Woohoo! Dang, you see those oysters? All kinds of oysters. I've never seen that many oysters in my whole life. Well, we came out here to find some gators. Didn't find none. But fortunately, we found a snapping turtle. It's pretty cool. It was like 3 feet. But wasn't able to get it on video because it moved too quick in the mud. But still pretty cool. Whenever you see a snapping turtle, it's always a special moment. Ain't nothing like being on the open water. I live for this. Biggest app. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below.